Let's discuss the kitchen chemistry lab. We only answered questions 2 and 3. Make sure you submit the data table and questions 2 and 3 to me. The first one says, in what practical situations would the identity of a powder need to be determined? Well, maybe something like if there was a poisoning, or a crime scene investigator, or drug identification. Those would be some practical situations where you would need to figure out the identity of a powder. Number 3, list other methods one might use to differentiate these or other similar looking powders. We could do not just whether they're soluble in water, but how soluble in water. We could do solubility in other liquids. We could do density. We could do melting point, or maybe even boiling point. Okay, any of the characteristic properties we've tested. We could also expand on how soluble it is in water by, we could change the temperature and see how soluble it is at different temperatures. So there's a lot of different things that we could use to differentiate those 4 powders.